Portable power stations give you reliable backup power without the noise, fuel, or maintenance of a gas generator. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best portable power stations of 2026, from compact emergency backups to high-capacity systems for home power and off-grid living. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Anker F3800 Plus is the mid-size powerhouse on this list. And in testing, it made an immediate impression by handling a combined load of a miter saw, table saw, blender, and space heater simultaneously without issue. The suitcase-style upright design with 4 sturdy wheels is the transport feature that separates the F3800 Plus from competing large power stations. At over 135 pounds, it's heavy. But the 4-wheel design made it easier to move around our test homes than 2-wheeled alternatives, and the small footprint allowed us to store it in a corner without taking over the room. It can also be laid horizontally for RV use. 6 AC ports, more than the 4 that most power stations include, meant we never needed a power strip to accommodate all our test appliances simultaneously. An RV port and a 240-volt port for larger appliances like an oven or dryer complete the output package. 2 solar inputs accept up to 3,200 watts of solar panels, enough to recharge this unit in under 2 hours of direct sunlight with a proper panel array. Number 7 is the EcoFlow Delta Pro. And while it's no longer EcoFlow's flagship, what it accomplished in testing proves it remains one of the most capable large portable power stations available. The performance number that stands out most from our testing is the refrigerator runtime. We powered a full-size 25 cubic foot refrigerator for 51 hours and 24 minutes on a single charge. 51 hours. That's more than 2 full days of refrigerator operation, which during a real power outage is the difference between losing your groceries and not. The 3,600 watt output handles multiple appliances simultaneously, and the XBoost technology bumps that to 4,500 watts when surge demand requires it. Recharging from empty using a standard 120-volt home outlet took 2 hours and 36 minutes, fast for a unit of this capacity. Multiple charging inputs including EV charging station compatibility, solar, car charger, and combinations of these provide flexibility regardless of your situation. For serious home backup and extended camping use, the Delta Pro remains a strong performer. At number 6, the Goal Zero Yeti 1500 earns its position as the most durable portable power station on this list. The IPX4 water resistance rating and outlet shields that cover ports when not in use are the headline durability features. IPX4 means it handles water splashing from any direction. You can't leave it out in rain, but dusty conditions, morning dew, and the general abuse of outdoor use won't be concerns. Each output section is individually illuminated by LED lighting and can be toggled on or off independently via manual button or the mobile app, shutting off automatically after a period of inactivity to conserve power. In our blackout simulation test, we ran a cable modem and Wi-Fi router, a lamp, a TV, and a tower fan simultaneously while charging a phone and laptop via USB-C. The display showed enough capacity for over 2 days of use with those loads and room to spare for additional devices. For dusty, wet outdoor environments and camping applications where durability is the primary concern, the Yeti 1500 is the pick. Number 5 is the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3, and this is the pick for anyone who needs whole home backup capability without a permanent generator installation or a propane supply chain. The efficiency number from testing tells you everything about how EcoFlow engineered this unit. 97% of listed power capacity was delivered to appliances in testing. The most efficient power station we tested. Most portable power stations lose 10 to 15% of their capacity to internal functions. The Delta Pro 3 loses only 3%, meaning nearly all of that stored energy goes where you need it. Our test rig included 1 expansion battery, raising total capacity to 8,096 watt-hours. We ran a space heater at a consistent 1,300 watts for nearly 6 hours on that configuration. We simultaneously operated an air fryer, toaster, and space heater while making intermittent miter saw cuts, pushing the unit well above 5,000 watts with no noticeable performance lag. For stationary whole-home backup that you can move when necessary, it's exceptional. Top 4 now, and the Bluetti Apex 300 earns this position as the most customizable and scalable portable power station on the list. The one you buy when you're not sure whether you need a portable power station or a home backup system, because it's genuinely capable of being both. Alone, the Apex 300 delivers 3,840 watts of continuous power and handles up to 7,680 watts of surge power, serious output for any portable application. The 2,764.8 watt-hour base capacity provides solid runtime across most home backup scenarios. But the scalability is the real story. 2 solar input ports accept up to 1,200 watts each, 2,400 watts total, which is exceptional for a station of this size. Pairing with Bluetti's SolarX 4K voltage regulator opens the door to even larger solar arrays. The Bluetti mobile app is among the best in the category. Find control over recharging levels from 1 to 50 amps is the kind of granular management that serious users actually want. The bronze medal goes to the EcoFlow River 3 Plus. At 10 pounds and roughly the size of a wide toaster, the River 3 Plus is the most portable unit on this list by a significant margin. Standard compact power stations at this size cap out around 300 watts of output. The River 3 Plus delivers 600 watts consistently, double the category standard. The key is gallium nitride semiconductor technology in the inverter and charging circuits, which EcoFlow calls X-GaN. GaN replaces silicon for higher efficiency in a smaller form factor, enabling meaningful output without the size penalty. In testing, we powered a home office, laptop, monitor, low-powered fan for an entire workday, topped off a phone battery, and later ran a 2-slot toaster, something smaller compact stations typically cannot handle. Nearly 10 hours of total use across those loads. For home office backup, light camping, and anyone who needs capable power in a genuinely portable package, the River 3 Plus is the pick. Number 2 is the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2, the best value on this list and the power station that most buyers in the mid-capacity range should seriously consider before looking at more expensive options. The V2 represents a meaningful upgrade from the original Explorer 1000 that made Jackery's reputation. Output jumped 50%, from 1,000 to 1,500 watts, while maintaining the same compact size and weight that made the original easy to take camping. That wattage increase enables devices the original couldn't handle: an electric grill, a larger microwave, and power tools that the 1,000-watt limit excluded. Capacity increased by 70 watt-hours in the same footprint. In testing, the Explorer 1000 V2 powered a 25 cubic foot refrigerator for 18 hours and 22 minutes, better than comparable 1,000-watt class models we've tested. Under a constant 475-watt load, it ran for 1 hour and 57 minutes. For camping trips, power outages, and remote work backup, it covers most needs without requiring a premium budget. And the best portable power station of 2026 is the Bluetti Elite 200 V2. The performance in testing was the immediate differentiator. We connected a miter saw, blender, and space heater simultaneously, and the Elite 200 V2 powered all 3 without hesitation. When the miter saw started up, it spiked to over 4,000 watts, above the listed 3,900 watt startup rating, and the unit handled it cleanly before settling to a consistent 2,500 watt draw. That real-world surge handling above rated capacity is not something you see from most power stations. The battery quality testing produced the result that sealed the top position. We recorded 92% of the listed 2,073.6 watt-hour capacity in actual output, well above the 85% average we record from most portable power stations. At 2,600 watts of max output, 3,900 watts of startup power, and 92% actual capacity efficiency in a package with a great power-to-weight ratio, the Bluetti Elite 200 V2 is the best portable power station of 2026. That's the 8 best portable power stations of 2026, ranked. Links are in the description with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.